kids! Today we will learn how to make a small and cozy, beautiful, colorful house. Time. First, we will use red color for roof of our house. And now orange. Yellow and green for the chimney. Blue for windows. Red for heart on the door, and green for window frame. Yellow to the other house's part. Pink and purple for the house tiles. For the door and blue for the part below the door. Let's touch up the colors a little. Wow, this is a colorful and cozy house, isn't it? If you liked the video, then subscribe and watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids!